The effect of saliva on starch. So saliva is produced in our mouth by our salivary glands and contains an enzyme that will break down starch to sugar. In this experiment, we are setting up two test tubes, test tube A that will contain starch and saliva, and test tube B that will contain starch and boiled saliva. So in each one we will add the same amount. So we've got starch and saliva in test tube A, and then we have boiled the saliva, and we're adding starch and boiled saliva mixture into test tube B. These are then placed in a water bath. So this is our water bath, and our water bath is set at 40 degrees, and 40 degrees is the same as body temperature. So this will be left for 10 minutes, and then we will test the contents of the boiling tubes to see what they contain. After 10 minutes, we remove our mixture, and to see if the starch has got broken down to sugar, we test using Benedict's solution, and we add the contents of the test tubes to the Benedict's and place it in a hot water bath. So we heat the mixture up. If the saliva still has active enzymes, then the starch will get broken down to sugar. So we place it in a hot water bath and we watch to see the colour. So as the results, you can see with the normal saliva, the starch has been broken down to sugar. It has gone from blue to orange, dark orange, meaning that there's lots of sugar present. Whereas in the boiled saliva, it has stayed blue, meaning that the starch has not got broken down. And that is because boiling the saliva has destroyed the enzyme that would break down the starch, or we would say denatured the enzyme that breaks down the starch.